Morning students, this is Aarti Pillai, your English teacher, and as you can see on the screen, today I am going to explain you dialogue writing. This is the writing section which today I am going to discuss. Right students, so can you tell me what is dialogue writing? Right? It is a conversation between two people about any topic. The main purpose of writing dialogue is to make students able to complete any conversation with grammatical correctness and draw a meaningful conversation. Right, students? So, in short, we can say that dialogue writing is a conversation between two people. Right, students? So, let's move on to the next slide. So here you can see students types of dialogue questions. So today I am going to cover two topics. The first one is dialogue writing and second one is dialogue completion. Students, let's move on to this slide, and here the dialogues said by the speakers depend on various factors. So the first point is the relationship between the speakers, right? What relationship the speaker has with another speaker. Suppose doctor is talking to the patient, that means doctor patient relationship, right? Let's move on to the next one. That is the situation where the dialogues are being said. What is the situation? Suppose the patient is ill, his ailment become the situation. Am I right? Now let's move on to the third one, the topic on which the conversation is being discussed. The topic, the patient ailment, it's become the topic to frame a dialogue. Right? Am I right? So the topic on which the conversation is being discussed, that means the patient ailment is the topic to discuss. Am I right? And according to that, patient and doctor, they will frame sentences or they will frame dialogues. Am I right, students? Now here, depending on these factors, the tone and words used by the speakers are either formal or informal. Suppose doctor is talking to the patient or patient is talking to the doctor, it means that the sentence or the words should be framed. How it should be framed? It should be framed in formal way. Right, students? And suppose a friend talking to another friend, that means their dialogue should be framed in informal way. Right? Understood? Let's see key points of dialogue writing. Your first point is the entire dialogue should be read once, right? To get an understanding of the type of conversation so that we can fill the gap accordingly. Right, students? This is very important point. Now, care should be taken that the meaning of the conversation does not change. Right? Now, your third point here, the type of language used should be grammatically correct. That means whatever dialogues you are framing, it should be grammatically correct. Now, your fourth point is sentences used in a dialogue should be clearly understood. That is whether a question is being asked or a request is being made. Okay? Here in this slide, what we have to do you know? Example question given over here. Now let's see what is written over here. Here is a conversation between a doctor and a patient. The patient has a problem of getting headache whenever he travels by car. So here we have to frame dialogues. What dialogues we have to frame? Because here one person who has always headache problem whenever he travels by car. So let's see the dialogue, students. So here, patient, hello doctor, may I come in? Doctor, hello, yes sure, please come in, have a seat. So that tell me what is your problem? Patient, doctor, I have problem of getting headache whenever I travel by car. So here what dialogue delivered by doctor? Oh, this is not any serious issue. Don't worry, I'll give you medicine and you will be fine. Then patient, thanks. Then question mark is given over here. Now we have to frame dialogues over here. See this slide. Now doctor patient, doctor patient, doctor patient. One question mark is also given over here in patient part. So now we have to frame sentences, right students? So let's see. As we have seen, thank you after there was this. Okay, so let's feel the gap given over there. Thank you, doctor. How often should I take the medicine? Okay, so let's see. Then after this, I just have one pill in the morning and one about 30 minutes before going to bed. Patient, for how long? Doctor, at least for 15 days initially, and after that, only whenever you are about to get into the car, right? Patient, anything else, doctor? Is this normal? Is this normal? Is will not come here. So, is this normal? So, here is this normal? It is given is this normal? Yes, absolutely normal. Don't worry. You will be fine soon. Be relaxed and don't take stress. Okay. Patient, oh, doctor, thank you. So, in this way, you have to frame dialogues. Right, students? Twice, thrice, you have to just go through the video so that you will be familiar with the words, with the sentences. Right, students? Now, students, let's see this example question. So, the question is Neha calls up Namrita to make a study plan for the weekend as their examination is starting from next week. Complete the dialogue between Neha and Namrita. So, let's see the dialogues. Okay, here students. Neha, this weekend, Namrita, I don't really have any special plan. Neha, so how about the idea of this? Namrita, that sounds great, but parents' permission. Neha, okay, then I'll call more friends and discuss this plan. Namrita, okay, don't forget to this subject, right? Neha, okay, my home or yours? Namrita, I, this place, okay. Namrita, okay, then see you. As in points to remember, the first point it was written over there. The entire dialogue should be read once. So we read entire dialogue. Now let's see. Okay, so here the first question was we have to see Namrita dialogue. I don't really have any special plan. So, what Neha's question is, what are you doing this weekend? So, the answer came from Namrita, I don't really have any special plan. Now, Neha, so how about the idea of studying all together? So, as given over here, this one. So, how about the idea of studying all together? Right. Then Namrita, what she is saying? That sound great, but I need to take my parents' permission. Okay. Then what Neha said in this? Okay, then I'll call more friends and discuss this plan. Okay. Then Namrita. Okay, don't forget to decide about the subject, right? So Neha, okay, will it be my home or yours? So what Namrita is answering? I'm fine with any place. Neha, okay, then see you, right? So in this way you have to, whatever exercises I have given you right now, you have to fill it up, right students? And by doing this exercise, it will be very easy for you to fill those exercises, right students?